Alright guys, so we are welcome to FB's Digital Academy, the home of tech here in Abakaliki. Alright, so I want to walk you through what digital marketing is and the 7 core areas of digital marketing. Alright, at the end of this video, you should understand exactly what digital marketing is and how it can help you to project your business idea, to get a lot of clients as well. And also, if you are hoping to venture into the digital marketing landscape in order to acquire customers, work as a freelancer, you're gonna be observing, you're gonna be learning everything you need to know in order for you to position yourself very well and getting those clients you actually deserve. Okay, so if you stay to the end of this video, you should understand what digital marketing is and how it can benefit your business. So let's get into it right now. All right guys, so you are welcome to today's digital marketing training. Okay, unlock your digital marketing potential, mastering the modern marketing. So if you are seeing this screen for the first time, my name is F Germany. Do me a favor, hit the like button and then subscribe to the channel, so you're gonna get other video and other helpful content as I publish it on this channel. Okay, so let's get straight to it right now. So discover the strategies to elevate your digital marketing game, learn how to connect with your audience and drive business growth, okay, in today's digital landscape. All I'll be sharing with you now is a nugget and then straight to the point, showing you how you can practicalize it for yourself and see results for yourself. So what then is digital marketing? You have been hearing talking about digital marketing and all of that. Let me show you something very quickly here. Now this person on my slide here, let me take you back to my slide so you're gonna see something for yourself. His name is Danko. Danko was the first person to sell on the internet. Okay, that was in 1994. He was able to sell, okay, a CD plate worth over 12.48 cents. He sell this in from the comfort of his home. That is digital marketing. Digital marketing is all about you selling from your phone, from your laptop. Okay, this woman is carrying a cup in her hand here. All right, means that she ordered it either online and they get it delivered to her. That is called digital marketing, using your tools available, internet, Facebook, social media, any social media platform, using it to convert it to sell. Anything that you can sell online, all right, is a digital marketing. Okay, selling anything on internet, that is digital marketing. Now what is the advantage of digital marketing over normal conventional kind of marketing or traditional kinds of sales? One of the advantages is that you have a targeted reach. You get to connect with ideal customers wherever they are. Okay, there's no limit. You might be listening from me from Kano, Katsina, Maiduguri, wherever you are around the globe. Okay, digital marketing make it seem easy. You are on YouTube watching the content right now. You might be consuming it anywhere. That is digital marketing. Some people who are in my DM or in my WhatsApp group learning one thing or the other, they don't know me, I don't know them. But through social media, through digital marketing, I'm able to connect with them because they're interested in that thing that I'm selling. They come to me and then I sell them what they buy, what they're interested to buy. That is called targeted reach. Next again, it is measurable. This is not whereby be sharing hand be on the streets. You might not know whether they convert or it does not convert. But when you set up a digital marketing campaign, you are seeing the clicks, you are seeing the metrics, what is working and what is not working. Then you optimize and then change, to get a better conversion. That is called measurable reach. Okay, measurable results. Next again is that it is cost effective. You don't need to rack your brain too much. You could be in your house, set it up. You don't need to trek, you don't need to walk around anywhere at all. Do you get? So right from the comfort of your home, you could use little to no money, at all, if you understand internet marketing, and then sell anything on the internet. It is very, very cost effective. Okay, let's proceed to the next slide. Okay, next again is what social media. Build community, drive engagement. Another area of digital marketing is what? Social media marketing. The use of popular one, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter. Okay, social media is part of our digital marketing. There are 7 concepts. Okay, I just highlighted the benefit of digital marketing now. So number 1 is what? Social media marketing. So you get to use this your platform, all right, for you to do your marketing activities. And one of the benefits of social media is that you have direct interaction. In a real time, your audience are connecting with you. They are clicking the post, you are seeing it. They are engaging, they are commenting, you are seeing it. Some of my students who are selling like online, some are selling any product like who are doing hair, fashion designing, and any kind of caps they are selling on internet. They are seeing that their audience are engaging in this. It means that their audience like it. They can now do an ad talking about that. Do you get? Next again, that is what brand personality. You get to talk about what you believe in, what you love, connect with people. You can see them, they are smiling, they are happy. You are attracting people who are like you, synergy. They are connecting with them, they are building bond together. in such a way you can come together and build up something together for yourselves. Do you get? So because you are building your brand personality, audience get to know what you are doing, they get to connect with you in a real time. You can have what is called viral potential. You could go viral with using what is called content marketing. Like on TikTok, you could go viral with your content. And that part of digital marketing again is called SEO, which is search engine optimization. Climb the search ranking, attract organic traffic. This is whereby you get to use your blog content. Like let me take you to my blog. Like my name is Evie Germany Digital. You can see it here now. And I get to use like Google. You can see this is me on Google. I have a website. This is my website, eviegermany.com.ng. Okay, so I get to Google with my content I posted either on my blog or my page. You get to rank on Google. Then client get to connect me from such place. We call it SEO. You get to also do SEO in other platforms like Nairaland, Quora, Reddit, and the rest of them. Okay, then that is how you go about it. Next again, now you increase your visibility. Some people do not understand SEO, they don't know how to go about it, but when you learn it, you can see the sign of ranking here. You get to show up, you get to become visible on the internet. All right, next again, now is what organic traffic. You get to get a whole lot of traffic coming to you, like us who are in affiliate marketing niche. You get to drive traffic from TikTok and from YouTube. They get to come to you organically to purchase your product. That is called organic traffic. Next again is what? So SEO make you to get what is called credibility. People get to see that you're a trusted brand, because for you to be able to show up on Google, on the internet, it means that you really know what you're actually doing. Okay, you have to build credibility. And one thing about this SEO is that you can charge clients a whole lot of money, 300, 400, 500,000 naira to do a job for them, because for the fact that you are ranking on internet, it means that you really know what you are doing. Okay, you get to explore it more in our tutorials, in our personal training. Okay, but that is one of the advantages of digital marketing. Next again is called content. Content is the king. There are 3 levels of content. You'll be able to attract, engage, and convert. And this concept is what we always preach. There are 3 kinds of content that when you create is speaking to different ideal clients. There are some content when you see is telling you learn how to, ways to. Those kind of content is trying to attract you. You have a way of getting to large audience. So by the time you use this content to attract your ideal prospect or client, next again is for you to engage them. You engage them with sharing tips and tricks best way to get clients, best way to make money. All these tips and tricks are the best way to go about this. Trust me, we're gonna position you as an authority. Okay, you're gonna engage your client, your audience. Next again is for you to convert them, sharing them your unique angle, ways to go about it. Let them come inside your world. Let them see a particular way you go about it. Okay, we are able to see clients coming to us, and then I'll be working with them, managing the ad campaign. I have a unique way I get these clients. Such is the way I convert people. You get? I convert them to show them the better way I do it than most people out there. So you get to use the same process, attract, engage, and convert. Use content marketing to do such. All right, so you establish authority through leadership. You drive traffic, valuable content, and then lead generation. When they consume your content, you could be able to funnel them, all right, in your email or in any WhatsApp group, whereby you can get to nurture them and then upsell them in any content you think that can benefit them. Through products, you can create product for them, and that is another topic again. How to monetize your knowledge, either your ebook or in your course or your videos. There is a part to monetizing your knowledge as well. But before you get to that level, you should be able to serve your audience, give them helpful content that they can comfortably say that they have benefited a lot from you. Okay, that is another part of what digital marketing. Next again is called web design. This is whereby you can charge a lot of money. In web design, you can charge 250,000 naira, 300,000 naira to do such for your clients. You get first impression matters. This is called user experience, UI UX. Okay, mobile responsiveness and brand identity. So by the time you're able, you can see that this website now is visually appealing. So the use of color, the use of fonts, it is well aligned there. It speaks a very good English. It speaks a very good part. It takes your client to where they are, to where they want to be. You funnel them to know you more about you and then doing business with you. And this is also a kind of skill that it is found in digital marketing. When you learn it, you can be able to direct your clients how to go about it. When you build a website, people that visit there on a glance, they will know what a website is and what it stands for. They can easily click through and then do business with your prospective client. Do you understand? It's also a skill in digital marketing. All right. So next again is affiliate marketing. It's one of the one I always teach a lot. So my students who are starting out newly, they get to use affiliate marketing to monetize their craft, their skill. Okay, it can get you making money easily while you are building, stacking up your skills. In as much as you want to learn digital marketing, that takes time for you to master very well. But with affiliate marketing, which is part of it, you could be able to start monetizing your knowledge on the go while you are learning. All right. And one of the benefits of affiliate marketing is that it has low cost of marketing. Okay. In as much as you are starting out newly, the money it will cost for you to venture into affiliate marketing is minimal. With less than 30,000-40,000, depending on the program that you are enrolling on, you could get started with affiliate marketing. Next point again is that you can have expanded reach. You can connect with people that are in different states, different world entirely, in Ghana, Australia, Libya, Burkina Faso, wherever they are, and they can sell to them and they can enroll in your program. You don't necessarily need to get to that place, but you will be anywhere you are, you can sell to them. You're gonna increase sales, drive for targeted traffic, okay, and make sales for yourself. Then influencer marketing, okay, this is whereby you get to collaborate with people who are already making way in the industry. You collaborate with them and then you amplify your message and build trust with them. You post your content in their own, they post in your own. You get to become visually, okay. People get to know each other. Your audience get to know your colleague, and their own audience get to know you. That is how you collaborate as a influencer marketing. Next again is called advertisement. It's also part of our digital marketing. You get to shoot professional and targeted advertisements that can get to convert. Okay, all these are skills stacked together that is called digital marketing skill. Part next again is graphic design and video editing. Some include this also as a part of our digital marketing, but us here we teach all those things for our clients, for our students, so that they can able to become a fully digital marketing full stack, and they can be able to take up any job and they can deliver on it. Okay, so that is the full stack of our digital marketing program you're going to know about. If you are part of our students, this is the program you're gonna learn. If you are here to get started, okay, this is also a program you're gonna learn about. Okay, you can drop a message in the video description so that I can get to attend to it, and the possible ways you can enroll you both online or offline. You can start attending your trainings. Okay, so my name is Evan Jamoni. If you have not subscribed to the channel, do way to do so, and I will see you on the next one. Bye for now. Peace out. See you later.